Hi there, Dr. Kerry Yerkew. I'm a chiropractor in Kelowna, and today I'm going over 12 yoga positions for migraines. And migraines affect the head, and sometimes they have an aura with them. They can cause a pounding headache. It affects the nervous and the vascular system, the blood flow. A lot of it has to do with the alignment in the neck region, especially in the upper part of the neck. I find when I do adjustments for my patients, it really relieves the migraine, plus the frequency and the duration of the migraines can be reduced. Eventually, if we can get that area lined up completely and restore the flexibility, then the migraines will completely go away. And that's what happened actually to my mother, who suffered from migraines for 10 years. And when I opened a clinic, she came to work for me, and I did regular adjustments for her. And she said after that period of time, her migraine headaches went away. So there is hope for migraines. A lot of it, again, has to do with the alignment of the upper part of the neck, C1 and C2, and then the nerve flow and the blood flow going through that area. So check with your health professional, go see a chiropractor. If you're in the Kelowna area, you're certainly welcome to come and see me. All right, so let's get into these yoga poses for migraines. Now, some of these I like better than others, and I do like the cow and the cat. This is on all fours, arching your back, looking up, and then the cat is the opposite, head down, back arched towards the ceiling. And you want to alternate between the cow and the cat, just increasing the general flexibility of the spine on both sides. I do like the rabbit. The rabbit's good because it promotes blood flow from the heart up to the brain. It also stretches out the ligaments and the attachments onto the bones, especially in the upper part of the neck. So I really like that one. Head down towards the knees, just holding that for 3 to 5 seconds. Make sure you don't get too dizzy or get any vertigo or dizziness or the room spinning from doing this. But just doing this as a stretch is very good, and I would do about 5 repetitions of this one. Extended child's very good. It opens up the upper part of the back from the thoracic area. There's sympathetic nerves that go to the heart and the blood vessels. That's very important. Secondary to the neck area, but the thoracic area is very important for blood flow and for migraines as well. Seated eagle, this is good for stability of the upper part of the back, and then the arms and the shoulders. So I like this one more for strength and stability. The cow face, clasped hands behind the body, stretching out the pectoral muscles, the scalenes in the neck. That's very good for flexibility and mobility. The cow face, this is where you have one arm up over your head, the other one behind your back, trying to touch the hands together. Works with the rotator cuff muscles in the upper part of the back, just stretching those out, and the lats, which are underneath the shoulder blades. Extended puppy. This one's good. Be careful if you have a lot of back pain with this one, but there's just stretching out the upper part of the body, extending the neck back, really works with the extension part of the cervical spine. You don't have to have the hips up that high. It could be more gradual, but really what I like about this one is just extending the neck and the head, stretching the front part of the neck, the discs and the ligaments on the anterior, the front side. Standing forward, bend with shoulder opener. This is really good for the rotation of the shoulders. You can kind of twist with this one and then have your arms behind your back like this, both arms extended. You could do this with one arm up, one arm down, and just rotate the upper body as well. I like that. So there's a variation here of both arms together, extending the back, and then the other one is to bring one arm through and the other arm stays up. So kind of a rotation in the upper part of the back. Kind of like this, but standing. So I do like the seated twist with both legs crossed over and the upper back rotating to one side. You can put your hand on your knee just for stability or to add some extra stretch, and then do the opposite side. Bound angle. This is good for the hips and the low back more so, but it does help to keep good posture in the upper back, which can help with the nerve and the blood flow going up to the brain. Seated forward bend. This is good for the flexibility of the entire spine from the top of the cervical down to the lumbar. So seated forward bend is good. Also, it promotes blood flow and energy flow from the heart up to the brain. And then supine bound angle. This one's good with the legs folding out, lying on your back, just resting your body. It really helps with the lower part of the spine, flexibility, again, just for posture, just to improve with the alignment in general so that you're not compensating with the neck area for something that's out of alignment or poor posture in the low back. So there's 12 yoga stretches for migraine warriors. And if you do have any questions, you can ask me at your next visit. If you're not a patient at the clinic, certainly we are accepting new patients. You can call or message the number on the bottom of the screen, or you can go to our website and book an appointment. If you're not in the area, you can comment below or message me. I'd be happy to find a chiropractor in your area that can help you. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave that in the comment section as well. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're getting closer to 1,000, which is our goal, subscribers. And if you're watching this on social media, please follow me on social media, and I'll talk to you guys soon.